All right, it's Sunday. I took the troop seats over to the car wash and gave them a good bath with, the do-it-yourself low-pressure wash. And I can't believe how well they cleaned up. And that, sure enough, is Air Force Blue. So I got all the 75 years of dust and owl poop off of them, and turned out real well. It's famously raining, and camera's getting wet, so that'll wrap up the rescue mission of the World War II Jimmy bed and troop seats. Thanks for watching my video. Okay, that just took 4 minutes. I'm using these really long screws to hold the wood down to my sawhorse. 4 minutes, and I've done half. I'm not going to be too overly particular, but that's the gist of it. Simple. Alright, that's the hardware, half of the hardware for the troop seats. I'm on my last surface. I don't know what's in this paint, so I have been wearing my half-face HEPA filter respirator. And we can see there's Air Force Blue on top with green underneath, red primer, more green, and preservative purple. This is the last seat board that I need to sand down. The rest are in the mess. I'm doing that because you can hear this wood still sounds very solid for being kept inside of a barn for 75 years at least, maybe 70 years. But I'm really amazed. The stanchions are being sandblasted. They're too big to fit into my cabinet here, but just wanted to show that little bit that's left here, and more of that preservative can be seen there. Very interesting. Found a few wormwood holes, but not many. They didn't go deep. I should say woodworm holes, not the other way around. I was thinking about, when I found them, I was thinking about the movie Matilda. Pretty funny movie. Came out a long time ago. Danny DeVito. They were the Wormwoods. Anyway. You put on a mask, you put earplugs in your head, in your ears rather. You'd better be comfortable with the person between your ears doing stuff like this, otherwise you'll go nuts. I just think of strange things all the time. Anyway, that's going to wrap up this video. Well, yeah, this part anyway. And next, here's a little preview. I've been working on the Working on the bow corners and the bows. Somebody had widened them with this wood, and so I'm going to try and use these again. I have a line figured out, and so I can cut it. I'm going to use my buddy's bandsaw and then glue them and bolt them back together, kind of like a step joint right here in the middle, but we'll get to that later. All right, thanks for watching my video. I don't remember where I got those 1/4 square nuts. It's bugging me. These are all the carriage bolts from the original troop seats. I'm going to give them a shot of primer right now. Alright, I mixed the primer fairly thin, and I put two coats on. I'll do the same with the olive drab when I go to spray that. I got to turn them all 180 degrees and do them again, but there they are. Alright, let's take a close look here. I've already applied 2 generous spray coatings of teak oil. And the sun finally came out, or, well, it's been out. Broke through the clouds. There's 80-year-old wood. Well, more than that. Who knows how old the tree was that supplied this wood. White oak. And no, I am not going to paint it. I'm going to hide that beautiful grain. Anyway, got the other side to do yet. I just mixed teak oil along with acetone. I did 8 ounces of teak oil and 8 ounces of acetone, and it sprayed very, very nicely. All right. That's all the hardware to hold the wood to the troop seats, the stanchions rather. Just wanted to show what the wood looks like in the sunlight before I spray this side. Okay.